Keep up the good work, Onigiri.
Wow! Ever since Onigiri was assigned to janitorial duties, this place has been looking great.
I know, right?
Now Avocado's room doesn't smell like total garbage.
Where's my garbage?
I hope Onigiri cleans my room. It's needed some of that Onigiri pizzazz for a while.
Can I see it?
You want to see my room? I kind of don't like letting people...
I mean, I've seen it before, but it was always really dark and hard to tell what anything was. I even borrowed some money, like 50 bucks. Bought me some cool slippers.
You what?
Actually, it was more like 300 bucks, but like the true money is the friends we made along the way, so you're welcome. What's up? Why are you looking at me like that?
What in the world? Well, here it is in all of its glory.
Oh man, you were right. Onigiri needs to get up here. Clean up on aisle clapboard, am I right?
No.
Let's see what I can find in this junk.
Hey, wait, don't touch my stuff.
What the? Ew, roach.
Wow, I built a chair all by myself. Maybe my life isn't so useless after all. I'm never amounting to anything ever again.
Glad I took care of that.
My window. All right, cut, get out.
You know, clapboard, you're my best friend.
Cut.
Oh, hey, a sandwich.
Oh my gosh, Tate, be careful with that.
Huh? It's just a sandwich.
This sandwich was handcrafted by my great-grandmother before she died. It's been fossilized through generations, witnessing the world as it's evolved and changed. I haven't seen it in so long, I thought I lost it. We've got to protect the sandwich at all costs.
You have a great-grandmother?
Huh? Wait, hold on, we're not ready yet. Wait! Aw, okay.
It's okay, Clappy. Your weird sentimental sandwich is safe and sound.
Yeah, I mean, I suppose it's good that the room's clean now.